Here's a new feature that HubSpot have recently released, and it is the statistics card. I'm on a company record here, but I want to start to see the rough amount of deals, deal amounts that are associated with this company record. In the top right, I can go to customize record, just going to take me to the settings where I can start to customize my views. You'll see I've got my default two tabs of overview and activities. I can add a new tab. We can call this statistics. I can add a new card. And then if I go to create a card, at the bottom of this list, we have a statistics option. From here, we can call this a name. And just above, you can switch between your different object types. So if I switch to deals, because I want to see information from my deals on the company record, I can change this to deal amount. I can select my deal property. And then with the calculation type, you can start to build your calculation property based on what you need to see. So if I want to see a sum of all the deals associated with this company record, I can save that option as a statistics card. If I save and exit there, it will take me back to the company record. I now have a third tab along the top, and I can see it's built that calculation property for me. So at a glance, I can come onto my company record and I can immediately see, okay, this company here has got just over 63,000 amount of deal, instead of having to check my pipelines, check individual deals on the right-hand side. At a glance, you can see the relevant metrics that you need to on each of your different record types.